Welcome to our full guide on how to add a location to your live video on Facebook. Let's dive into the steps together. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device to begin the process. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to create a new post. Select Live Video to initiate a live broadcast. Tap Go Live to start broadcasting your video. During the live video, tap on the three lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Check In to add a location to your live video. Enter the desired location in the provided field and then tap Done to confirm and attach the location to your live video. By following these steps, you can enhance your live video content on Facebook by adding a location to provide context and engage your audience in a more immersive experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in demonstrating how to seamlessly add a location to your live video on Facebook. Elevate your live broadcasts with location tagging for a more interactive and engaging viewer experience.